In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting on your laptop. Whether you're setting up a virtual gathering for work, school, or just to catch up with friends, Zoom makes it incredibly easy to connect with others, no matter where they are in the world. By the end of this guide, you will be comfortable scheduling your own Zoom meeting, ensuring your virtual event goes off without a hitch. The first step you'll want to take is to open Zoom on your laptop. If you don't have Zoom installed yet, you'll need to download and install it first, which can be done by visiting Zoom's official website. Once you have the application open, make sure you're logged in with your account. This is important as it allows you to schedule meetings and access various features. After opening Zoom, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here, look for the Schedule button. It's typically located on the main dashboard and is usually an icon that resembles a calendar. Clicking on this opens a new window where you'll enter all the necessary details for your meeting. Now, you're in the scheduling screen. This is where you'll input all the essential information for your Zoom meeting. Begin by entering a topic or name for your meeting. This will help your participants know what the meeting is about at a glance. After you've named your meeting, you'll want to choose the date and time. Make sure this is a period that works for all your participants to avoid any scheduling conflicts. One helpful tip is to consider selecting the option for a recurring meeting if you plan to hold this meeting regularly. This allows you to set a fixed schedule, reducing the need to reschedule each time. Next, you'll see options for the duration of the meeting. Choose an amount of time that suits your needs, keeping in mind that free Zoom accounts have a 40-minute limit for group meetings. It might also be beneficial to enable the waiting room feature for added security, allowing you to control who enters the meeting. Further down, you can adjust video and audio settings for both yourself and participants. Ensuring both are set to on will allow everyone to see and hear each other as soon as the meeting starts. Once all your details are in place, don't forget to review your settings one last time to make sure everything looks good. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the information, go ahead and click the Save button. This will complete the scheduling process and generate a unique meeting ID and invite link. These details are crucial as they're what you'll need to share with your meeting participants. You can send these details through email or any messaging platform your group prefers. You've now successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting. With these steps, you're ready to host your virtual meetings with confidence. Don't hesitate to use Zoom's helpful reminder options to ensure you and your participants are notified in advance. Thanks for tuning in and